Excuse me, Bioderma, what is this? It feels like you're in a spa and you know they're using all those cooling products on your face. Look at the glow, the glowy, dewy finish. Hi everyone, welcome back to another Honest Reviews with PKB. I'm Prableen. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you've seen me before or no, but I post content related to skincare, makeup, a little bit of fashion, a little bit of vlogs here and there. कुछ ऐसे पक्का नहीं होता है, but I try to keep it very chill. And I post content on Instagram. We recently crossed 110k followers on Instagram. So if you're not following me there, go ahead and follow me. And if you ever post anything related to what you see on my page, use the hashtag #NoFilterWithPKB because that is my hashtag. My page stands for skin body positivity. Everything needs to be filter free. Like, you know, those blurred out filters, we try to avoid that. That's what our page stands for. So if you're someone that resonates with any of this, then definitely continue watching. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing a brand that I have been using for quite some time, but I never really tried this range of products. So I tried this range for say a month and a half, and I wanted to give it a fair try how it works on my skin, since my skin is oily, acne prone. So the brand is Bioderma. Many of you all already know about their micellar water. People rave about it because it's one of the best micellar waters available in the market, hands down. But they have this entire range for acne prone skin people. So this entire range is only for people that have acne prone oily combination skin. So if you think that you want to know what products will suit you if you have acne, then definitely keep on watching. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe already. Hit the notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a video. Without any further ado, let's just dive right into the video. For starters, we are going to be trying out the Bioderma Sebium H2O solution micellar water. So you can see I've used quite a bit. So whenever I remove makeup, I try to use this and see how my makeup is getting off. So we're just going to put this on and remove the makeup. Can you see that? Just one swipe and it's off. My skin is glowing. And how my skin is glowing. So this brand, firstly let me give you an introduction about the brand. This brand is from France. So all of these products are manufactured in France and they are brought into India and they sell it here. So basically this product, especially once you use this, you don't need to go in with a face wash. कोई micellar waters के बाद में you have to wash your face because वो easily clean नहीं करता है. But as you can see, makeup is completely off, कुछ भी नहीं है face पे, and my skin definitely feels very healthy, glowy and hydrated. It doesn't feel so dry. जैसे usually हम micellar waters use करेंगे तो उसके बाद में we do wash our faces, we do, you know, like rinse off our face, we use water, उसके बाद ही clean and hydrated feel होता है. But already my skin does not feel like it's, you know, drying and patchy and anything of that sort. It's still very hydrated. Definitely I have been using this for a month now, so I can say that I really liked it. I really like this micellar water. The second product we're going to go in with is the Bioderma's Sebium Gel Moussant. So it is a purifying cleansing foaming gel, perfect for combination oily skin. So you already know that I'm picky when it comes to like skincare products, obviously, but that is also my job कि मुझे, you know, try करने products और फिर आपको बताना है if the product is actually nice. If you are someone that likes to go for water based products, जो ऑयली एक्ने प्रोन स्किन के लिए स्पेशली वाटर बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे से वर्क करते हैं इन जनरल, इसीलिए ये रेंज बहुत अच्छा है आपके लिए. आई एम जस्ट गोना स्प्रिंक सम वाटर एंड शो यू हाउ दिस प्रोडक्ट लुक्स एंड फील्स ऑन द स्किन so that we, you know, we can review it together. We can, like, I can tell you and you can see the results on my face right here, right itself. I'm just gonna put some water and we are going to So it's blue in color, it's gel like definitely, and it's foaming, very foaming. So it's ultra gentle soap free formula which psychologically has the pH which is maintained without drying the skin. It has zinc sulphate and copper sulphate which cleanses the epidermis, reduce the number of blemishes and limits the sebum secretion. You know, कोई फेस वॉशेस वैसे होते हैं जो यूज करने के बाद में आपके स्किन को बहुत ड्राई फील करवा देते हैं. यू फील लाइक यू नीड टू पुट अ मॉइस्चराइजर आफ्टर यू यूज इट, बट दिस इट्स वेरी जेंटल ऑन द स्किन. I'm just going to wash this off and come back and tell you how I feel about it. Okay, so my face is all washed, clean. You can see this is how my skin looks right after I washed it. So it says that it's 68%. So 68% it decreases the sebum production, that is what it claims, and definitely my skin does not feel dry, and that is what I like about it. You can see it feels so soft. कुछ भी अप्लाई नहीं किया है मैंने, सिर्फ फेस वॉश अप्लाई किया है. नहीं तो हम फेस वॉश अप्लाई करते तो कितना ड्राई एंड यू नो ऐसे फ्लेकी लगने लग जाता है स्किन, बट ऐसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहा, इतना सॉफ्ट फील हो रहा है. सो दैट इज फॉर द सेकंड प्रोडक्ट विच इज द Sebium Gel Moussant. I think I really like it. I have been using this, so I know that it's really nice, but to give you a very honest review, short and sweet, if you have oily acne prone skin you can definitely go in with this product. If you have extremely sensitive skin, okay, क्योंकि sensitive skin के बाद में जिन लोग को लगता है कि उनकी स्किन बहुत ड्राई हो रही है उनको ये प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. प्लस ये वाटर बेस है तो यू नो इट वोंट क्लॉग योर पोर्स, इट वोंट यू नो मेक योर स्किन वेरी ऑयली, इट वोंट completely dry out your skin also, and it will just maintain the pH level of your skin. So I think it's a very good product, very well technology like used behind making this product, which is why it feels so good on the skin. Definitely big thumbs up. The next product we have is this tiny little baby right here. It's the Bioderma's Sebium Pore Refiner. Now this is especially for enlarged pores. So I have very large pores here. Like I don't know if you can see properly, but I have a lot of pores here and here. Basically you're just supposed to take thodu sa, like just take thodu sa and put this on the, this is how it is, just put it here. Oh, it feels so good, so good. It feels like you're in a spa and you know they're using all those cooling products on your face. Loving this. Feels damn nice on the skin. So this product has agaric acid which is very good to smoothify the pores and also to minimize them. So basically it will you know minimize your pores, it will try to do that. So if you're you know doing a nice base makeup and you want your pores to be very minimized, I would highly recommend putting this pehle, then going in with your moisturizer. For moisturizer we have the Sebium Hydra, which oh my god, I've become a fan of this product. So this is the Sebium Hydra. This is how the packaging is. It's perfect for acne prone skin people, which you already know. So this keeps your skin moisturized for 24 hours, which it says. ऐसा है इसका consistency. It's thick but it completely goes down to melt on your skin. Literally it's cooling and it melts on your skin, and I love the way it feels. Like it's, look at this, look at the glow, the glowy dewy finish. Oh my god, it feels fantastic. My skin feels fantastic. Now this product, what I have to say about this product is that it has anti-inflammatory properties. So if your skin is very irritated very easily, ये आपके skin के लिए बहुत अच्छे से work करेगा. If you have very inflamed skin जो easily कोई भी product लगा के you know red हो जाती है, या कोई भी product लगाओ तो आपको it doesn't suit your skin इतने अच्छे से. आपको ये product बहुत अच्छे से suit होगा क्योंकि ये skin को बहुत calm करता है, बहुत soft and smooth and supple feel कराता है. You can already see my skin feels so hydrated and glowy. It's not sticky also, and this will work so well under your makeup. So if it can be used as a very nice moisturizer to like prime up your face, because the makeup sits so well on this. That is one thing that I've definitely realized in this month, that whenever I've used this under my makeup lasted really long, and it just did such a good job. I love the way it looks on my skin. So you have to definitely check out all of these products. I really hope you'll enjoy watching this video. My final verdict about all of these products is that definitely they're a hit. This comes in a bigger size as well, but if you are someone that wants lightweight, no soap formula, a gentle cleanser for your face, you will love it. You will fall in love with this. So I love this, and you know that I already love the Sebium H2O Micellar Water. So this is pretty much it for my review. I think it's a big hit. It's PKB verified, and I will definitely say that it's completely safe to use on your skin. That is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this. If you all did, give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. All the links will be in the description. You all can go and check it out. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, if you've enjoyed using it, if you plan on buying it. Do let me know, and I will see you next time. Bye.